What's up everybody, it's your boy KB back for my new Transformers video. That's what guys, my new Transformers video is here on Friday, and happy Friday to all of you guys and KB fans. And I think I never did a Transformers videos. All I have, it was maybe a while or a long time since I did a Transformers video, but this one will make you guys so freaking exciting and hump because will tell you guys before I will say subscribe, hit the like button if you're new for my channel. That will help a lot. Subscribe and hit the like button, and you better follow me on Instagram, guys. You better. I will get into my Transformers news and update. I will tell you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy my Transformers 3 Dog of Shadow was good because he was a badass, but he killed Megatron, and you guys saw in the end credits of Galvatron because he's coming. I got exciting news and update to tell you boys. My Transformers 4 is happening because I'm making it right now, and I'm so excited, and you KB fans are so excited to see my Transformers 4 because it will be so much fun and a badass because we saw in my third Transformers of Megatron transforming into Galvatron. We can't wait for the fourth one. And the teaser trailer for my four Transformers is coming this Sunday. We can't wait for that one. And I got a awesome title for my four Transformers in my Transformers series. It sounds mind-blowing because I did pick this title, a good one for my fourth one. Just want to tell you guys this because the title will be in the teaser trailer this Sunday. It will blow you guys' mind away. Maybe the teaser trailer will, or just when I drop the full trailer for my Transformers 4. I think both or just one. That is it for my new Transformers video news and update. I'm sure you guys are so excited for the teaser trailer and the title in my teaser trailer for Transformers for this Sunday, which I can't wait to release it for you guys this Sunday because I can't wait for Optimus Prime and Bumblebee and Megatron transforming into Galvatron will be so mind-blowing. Just like my Transformers 4 will be so badass because I will say it again, and so much fun. So see you guys this Sunday from the teaser trailer. Peace.